Good morning, everyone. Good day, good evening, anytime you're watching this. So, today we are going to learn about how to risk or calculate a specific risk on any trade that you take. So, let's say you have a $50 account, or let's say, yes, $50 account, and then you want to be risking $10 per trade. So, I'm going to teach you how you can do that on MT5. So, let's assume we are going to take this particular trade, and then we are going to risk $10 on this particular trade. So this is my entry point. You can see it here, 1.13810. Stop losses. Let me even use the panel. So that will be very easy. So yes, entry is 1.13810. Stop profit is this, and then stop loss is this. And then since price is above my zone, I'm expecting to set what a buy limit. So I'm expecting price to come here, then it jumps up. So since I am leaving to work or I am going out, and then I don't want to miss this trade, I have analyzed my trade and or everything already. I just need to set the limit and then leave it alone. So let's go to our MT5. So provided I've sent you a signal, buy Euro USD at this particular price, stop loss, blah blah blah. I've given you the coordinates. So you come to your trading MT5, and then you come to quotes, then Euro USD. So once you click on Euro USD, you click on chart, right? You click on chart, and then you come to the time frame I have sent the analysis to. You come to the time frame I've sent the analysis to, and then you look at the zones I have marked. So you can see here on the 5 minutes, I have marked the zone here. I have marked the zone on the 5 minutes time frame. So you can see my entry is what above this particular what candle. So on the chart 2, look at it. You can see I have placed a red line here, and then my stop loss. So you can place red lines at what the area, so that when you are setting the limit, it doesn't confuse you. So look at it from here. The SL is what 1.13776, and then here to it's 1.13753. It's just 7775753. That's the difference. It's just like some 2 or 3 pips, and then the entry is just above the other block. So once you have this, then you come and click on this particular icon. It looks like a timer. So once you click on that particular icon, it gives you what this particular blue thing. So a buy limit. So if I bring it above, it is going to change to sell limit. If I bring it below, it is going to change to a buy limit. So automatically, where you place it tells you what you want to do. So once you have clicked on the time, it gives you the pending order limit, and then you come here, you can see SLTP here. So when you click on the SL, another red line will be visible for you where you can move it, and then you can look at it. The more you move it, the more the amount changes. So this particular thing changes because of the lot size here. You can see buy limit 1.8. That is the lot size. So you just have to scroll your limit line to where you want to put your stop loss, and then you come and adjust the stop loss. So right now, you come and adjust the lot size. So right now, my stop loss is $100 if I risk, or if I enter the lot 1.8, but I want to risk $10, so I want to change the lot size. So this is where you tap to change the lot size. Buy limit, you can see 1.80. Once you click on the 1.80, it gives you what a different lot sizes. It gives you different lot sizes, right? So you have the volume. So if you scroll, let's say I'm here, and then you scroll and then it doesn't come, just leave it, the rest will come. So right now I'm at 0.1. So once you choose 0.1, just tap anywhere on the screen and then come and check. So if I use 1.5, or if I use 0.1 as my lot size, I'm risking what $5, $5.6, right? So I want to risk $10. So if 0.1 is giving me $5, then I think 0.2 can give me the $10 I want to risk. So I come back to click on the buy limit. Not the buy limit, you click on the figure there. So just the part where the figure is 0.1. So right now I want to choose 0.2. So I have selected 0.2, then I click on a blank space, and then you can see my risk is 11.2 now. But I want to risk $10. So I'll just come back again, and then choose 0.19. Then I'll click here and come and check. Okay, right now it's 10.64. I want to extend. So I'll click on the 0.19 again. Then I come to 0.18. So you do try and error till you get what the lot size you desire. So right now my risk is 9.52. That's approximately $10. So I think when I choose this, then you select your TP. It's either you add, once you click on TP, a new green line will come for you. So let's say my TP is here. But sometimes you can set the trade without what? You can set the trade without indicating or probably placing your TP. You can modify it on the MT5 after placing the trade. So right now we can choose to just set the TP because I've given you the TP already. So let's say this is my TP. So it means that if I risked, if the trade is 1:3, let's check from here. So my TP1 is, let's use the TP1. TP1 is 1:3.4. So you can see risk to reward 3.45. So let's check the figure. 1.13999. 1.13999 currently 1 point, sorry, 1 point, let me check it again. 1.3999. Okay, so 1.3994. Okay, so let me move it to 999. So this is 1.3999. So if I risk $10, if I risk 9.52, probably $10, I'm getting what? $32. That is 1:3. So this is how you can set your lot size according to your risk. So if you want to risk $100, you just navigate the volume. So you choose a lot size, you come and check your stop loss. Here it is 200 now. I want to change it to 100. So let's say when I use 2.9 lots, it's 162. Then you come again, then you check. Let's say 2.4 will give me what? 134. I think maybe two lots will do. Two lots gives me 113. I want to raise 100. Let's check 1.7. 1.7 gives me 95. Then let's check 1.8. 1.8 gives me 100.8. So yes, I decide on what. My decision now is to use 1.3 as my buy limit. Simple. So let's say you only have your buy limit and your stop loss ready. You don't know your TP yet. You can enter the trade. So you click on this particular icon here. Then you place the trade. To buy limits, Euro USD, blah 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 has been set. So when I come to trades, I can now click on it, modify, and then enter my TP here. Once I enter my TP, then I click on modify, then it updates it. So when you come back here, you are going to see that your TP has been set here for you. You can see TP here. So if I click on the TP, it means that this is barely 1:1. So let's say 1:1.2, because if I raise 100, I'm getting 115. So yes. So if you made a mistake too, you can come back to the trade, slide to your left, click on the red one, and you can delete the limit. It's simple as that. There's another way to also calculate risk per trade, but I think this is the most easiest and then feasible way. Because usually setting a signal, you come to quotes, then let's say you click on it, then trade, then you can just change to buy limit, then enter what, then enter the price, enter your stop loss, enter your TP, then you just modify your lot size from here. So you can find your own way, but then I'll try and then make a video about the other way as well. But I think for now you should be able to use this particular one to know how to risk your specific amount per trade.